If you pick up just about any Chinese takeout menu and look under house specials, you'll probably find a dish called General Tso's chicken. It's boneless chicken that's breaded and fried and served with a sweet and spicy Asian sauce. We like it so much, we came up with an easy baked version, rather than fried, that you can make at home. We begin by cutting some boneless, skinless chicken breasts into chunks. First, we dip them in some flour, then into beaten eggs, before breading them with crushed cornflakes. These go on a baking sheet where we'll coat them with cooking spray before popping them in the oven. You see, coating them with spray allows them to crisp up while they bake without having to fry them. While they're in the oven, we'll make a sauce to serve with them. It's simply a combo of chicken broth, rice vinegar, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, you can find all of these in the ethnic aisle, a little tomato paste, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and a bit of sugar. After this comes to a boil, we'll let it thicken up. When you toss this with the crispy chicken and serve it over some cooked rice, along with some steamed broccoli, you'll have a dish that'll become your own house special. To get the recipe for General Tso's chicken, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fake-out takeout way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.